Welcome to part of the California coast, Laguna Beach. Today, Alan has decided to take a closer look at the kelp by Bird Rock. This is Bird Rock, found 450 to 500 feet away from the shore. This is a Garibaldi fish. The Garibaldi is the official state fish of California. Here are two male sheephead fish. Sheephead are all born female. The males transition in adulthood. The ones that remain female are smaller and pink in color. This kelp stands at about 15 feet during high tide. The school of fish are zebra perch. The zebra perch is a shallow water species found in shore areas down to depths of 8 meters or 26 feet. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and you can follow Alan on his Instagram.